I had a friend that attended Great Oaks, and that's how I learned about electromechanical maintenance technology. Every little piece, I mean, the screw that you put into your toaster is a process that has to be done, and it has to be maintained. So that's what got me into this field, that and robotics. Electromechanical maintenance teaches the foundations of repair of industrial processes and machines.
One of the things that we're looking for is someone that can pull a team together, assess the situation, diagnose the problems, and then effect a solution to that. And again, you'll get those skills working and coming out of a program like the MMT program at Great Oaks. Teachers and instructors at the program are excellent. If you can, while you're going through the program, try to get some relevant experience. Even if it's not a direct match for what you might want to do for your career, it's going to expose you to some things within that industry and probably let you make a better decision, better educated decision once you come out of the program at the field that you want to choose.
After graduating from the EMMT program, I could get a job doing process engineering, I could get a job doing maintenance, I could get a job doing any kind of mechanical aptitude required, machining.
If you look at the market today, I think the market's very strong for people coming out with a skill set like coming out of the program at Great Oaks. Manufacturing in Cincinnati is still strong in the greater Cincinnati area. I sit on the industrial council at the Great Oaks, and when I talk to some of my peers and colleagues there, they're hiring left and right. They can't get enough people who come out of a program like that. So, I think there's a large upside for students to come out of that program, hit the ground running.
What got me into EMMT, I would say, is my innate mechanical aptitude, my sort of logical thinking processes, the desire to create and manipulate machines to create things. What the course has done for me personally is it's given me the confidence to speak from a position of knowledge, that I know what I'm doing.
The program will give you a solid mechanical background in power transmission, pneumatics, hydraulics, etc. You couple that with the technology that come out of that, it really positions you for a variety of different careers. What you do with that's up to you. You can come out of the Oaks and work in industry, and who knows, 10 years later, you're on your own business.
Having been through the program here at Great Oaks, specifically here at Scarlett, it's been an important stepping stone towards my future, and it doesn't stop here. I can continue on and up so long as I apply myself. What Great Oaks has done for me is what Great Oaks can do for anyone.
The folks that come out of Great Oaks today, I think it's an undervalued skill set that they bring. It's one that's really needed within the industry. I think it's a fantastic time to be joining the business today.
There's nothing that you can't do if you apply yourself, and Great Oaks is the place to apply yourself.